Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of joining this channel, you're welcome, and to my new subscribers, I want to say welcome. This channel is all about product recommendations and relationship talk. So girls, in today's video I'm going to show you how to glow your skin naturally sitting in the comfort of your home. Our product actually works. We've been trying on this channel, so just look at the buds and boobs enlargement oil we produce. I used it too on myself. Look at my buds. Can you see that? Oh my god. So let's follow this natural remedy to make our skin glow. If you desire a glowing complexion, please kindly watch this video to the end. Yes, first of all, you have to avoid everything that has to do with sun. Stop exposing yourself to sun so much, and if you must expose yourself to sun, add a little bit of sun protection to your cream, such as the sandalwood oil. Sandalwood oil helps as a sun protection, helps to correct the redness of the face and all the effects caused by sun rays. So if you must expose your skin, get sandalwood oil and rub it in the morning. Not just directly mix it with your cream, not all the cream, like bring out a little quantity and add it to your cream, then use it to rub before going out under the sun. Or if you have a very good sun protection cream, you can also use it. And then the second way to glow naturally is to exfoliate your skin. Yes, exfoliating of your skin really works because it helps to open your pores. Yes, it helps to open your pores to be able to absorb in any kind of cream you're using. All right, most times our pores is closed by dirty and a lot of things, but when you exfoliate your skin, it makes it soft and to be able to welcome in cream. The scrub I have with me here is Bismuth exfoliating whitening body scrub. Bismuth exfoliating whitening body scrub, I find it very perfect for my skin. So with this, I don't think I would like to try any other scrub because it's really nice. It's really nice with me, So, and then the next way to glow your skin naturally, which a lot of organic persons will not tell you, is that most of them are staying under AC. Like they stay under AC. They don't just do the hard work. Most times they are really always in the AC, and so those AC makes your skin to glow. But if you don't have an AC in your house, that's not a problem. We can use this one I want to introduce now to make your skin to pop up. These are fruits. We know that food consumption is very nice. Food consumption is nice, but knowing the right foods to combine and how to mix it together is really, really important. Instead of chewing one by one, I'm going to show you how to combine this for a glowing complexion despite your color. Alright? First, I have banana. Don't mind what is banana, it's not plenty. I've been eating it. It's meaning this one. So I have this banana. After I finish this video, I'll still drink it. But this one, look at banana. You can get anyone you have. And then I have watermelon. The next item I have is water. The next fruit I have is watermelon. Okay, there's watermelon. You can make as much quantity as you can. And then I have pig milk. And then the next I have here is lime. All this lime contains natural vitamin C, which lightens the complexion, but it's not advisable to consume lime every time because it can make you to lose weight. Okay, but in this video I'm adding it because I am teaching on how to glow your skin naturally. Okay, so let's go straight to it. I'm going to add it to my blender. I have to chew. This thing is going to be sweet, very sweet, you know. So I'm going to just press it inside, I'm not going to throw it with the back. Done. Later you can use this one to scrub your leg and hand if you have knuckle. I'm going to add all the pick, okay? Yes, because we are talking about glowing of the skin. We all know that milk lightens complexion. Milk is very good if you want to lighten up. Some people even use it for to moisturize to exfoliate their body. They add milk, they add natural sugar, and then they use it to exfoliate their skin because they feel it's going to lighten their skin. But also consuming it is going to make you to glow from the inside out. I know that you do this one in your house, so no faking, I beg. No pretense in this channel. The next thing, look at it here. Can you see my milk? So this is it. That's it, okay? Next thing is that you're going to blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. So we're done, okay? What I'm going to do next is I'm going to pour myself a drink. A drink. Did you see how it looks like? So look at it. Now this just complete natural yogurt, okay? But this makes you glow from the inside. Make sure drink this every morning, first thing before breakfast and last thing after dinner, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy your complexion. Don't forget to avoid stress and stop exposing your skin to sun. I love it. Oh, which noise is that one? Oh. Okay, so that's how it's gonna look like after preparation. You can see this is just natural yogurt. Don't forget to avoid stress and stop exposing your skin to sun. I love you guys, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. See you next time in my next video. Let me enjoy my drink.